Energy to the stage. Big round of applause for Visible Energy, please. Hi, my name is Graziano, and I'm the founder and CEO of Visible Energy. Visible Energy is the third company I started here in the Bay Area, and for those of you who don't know me, in the 90s, I've been involved in one of the first successful internet appliance companies, and more recently in a company creating products and services for home automation and security of connected homes. Visible Energy is also in the consumer space. It's all of these things, and more specifically is about creating products that allow consumers to take control on their power consumption. This is a very big thing. A lot of people have either environmental or financial concerns about their power consumption. We want to make the products that effectively can address these concerns. This is stop time. Here you go. Okay. That will help. Oops, it's not. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, today here at GreenNet, we are unveiling our first product, the UFO powerstrip. The UFO powerstrip is the first product using the technology we have developed in the past year and a half. It takes its name from its shape, reminding of a flying saucer. It has no visible switches, and it opens up like a flower, and it has 4 color-coded electrical outlets. Think of the UFO powerstrip as both a smart meter and a connected smart appliance with a beautiful iPhone interface. It saves electricity in 2 ways. First, by providing real-time feedback about cost and consumption of electricity, and second, by using simple automation to eliminate standby power. It has been proven that cars that have a gas consumption gauge, drivers change their habit and save on gas. It works for cars, it works the same way for electricity. The UFO captures and holds electricity consumption for 2 months from all of its 4 outlets. It communicates over power line to an iPhone application showing in real time electricity usage and cost. With awareness from feedback, we are now motivated to make changes, and more importantly, since the effects of these changes are now quantified, we know which ones are working and which ones are not. The other way the UFO powerstrip saves on electricity is by using automation to eliminate standby power. We know how severe is the standby power problem, but also how annoying it is to reach behind those devices and turn them off. Well, with the UFO powerstrip, it's not needed anymore. We can use an iPhone touch interface to turn devices on and off. And if we know that some devices are not used during certain hours of the day, we can define timers so that they automatically turn on and off. And while on the automation subject, since the UFO powerstrip connects to the internet, you can upload very detailed consumption data to a service such as Google Power Meter for load analysis. And through the same connection, I can program the UFO to receive price signals from my power company to enable load shaving programs, for instance, but still keeping me in control to override those signals if I decide to do so. We are working on other form factors of the same technology, such as the monostrip for places where the UFO may not be practical, and for heavy-duty appliances, as well as a board that goes inside the electrical panel for circuit breakers that can monitor up to 4 circuits. We have completed the development, have shipping products right now for a pilot project this spring with a European power company. The UFO powerstrip is going to volume production this summer, will be available in the US market by this fall. We're seeking investors for our first round of financing as well as partners. If you're interested in working with us, please come and see me at the cocktail reception. We have a working demo of the powerstrip. Thank you.
Steal the microphone here for just a second. Okay, judges, can you hold up your score high and keep them up so we can tally it real quick? Show it to the whole audience. Make sure so we got a 7, What do we got next? We've got a 7, and a 6. 7, 7, and 6. Sam, what kind of feedback do you have for visible energy off the top?
Well, I think it's a great idea, and I think knowledge is power. I guess the pause I have is really how broadly this is going to be adopted, and whether or not there's going to be competing solutions that offer a more sort of turnkey approach to managing power consumption. The product is a consumer product for households, I assume. Is that right? So that was my only apprehension. It's still very early. And,
all right. Thank you. Big round of applause for visible energy, please. Thank you very much.